Alright, so today me and my little brother Liam are setting up not tech decks, finger skateboards my buddy Frank gave us. So we're about to get radical today and set these up.
Woo! Because I broke some of my mini skateboards because I was doing tricks.
Broke my board.
We are actually going to put a sticker on the bottom.
Oh, I want this fire.
Thrasher? Okay, you can have the Thrasher.
He's peanut butter and jealous.
He's gonna have the Thrasher sticker. Alright, so first things first. You want to put your sticker on your skateboard, right? So
Yeah.
take your sticker, peel it open. You want to put your sticker right on. Boom. That's how it looks. Vans, Thrasher. Vans, Thrasher. Alright, and then we take it. So this part you gotta have an adult do. Take the razor blade just like grip. You take the edges.
You cut it off. Can I go get my root beer upstairs?
Go ahead.
It's a my fresh root beer, okay?
Yep.
Thank you.
Open up your bag of hardware.
Yeah, your hardware.
This, Mr. Secretary, is a bag of bushings. This bag of bushings, $90,000.
Take one of these little bolts. Careful not to lose it because it's really small. You want to put it on your tool. Most tech decks come with these, most finger skateboards. So you take your board, push it against the holes. It should pop right through your sticker.
Look at the YouTube channel.
Just like a real skateboard has the bolts. Okay, see that? Good job. The difference between a real skateboard is they don't just pop through. You actually have to twist them all the way through. Once you make the hole in your sticker, you can unscrew it. Keep your finger over the hole as you're turning it. You'll feel a pop, and it'll pop through the sticker. And then you want to back it out, unscrew it.
And you always got to have your skateboard on your screw because on my scooter, I just broke down. I lost all of the bolts and stuff.
So don't ride scooters, ride skateboards.
Yeah.
There's the moral of that story.
Check these out. Wow.
Here's how you put the wheel on.
There's only one bearing in these wheels because it's so small. So you have to put the bearing side against the truck.
Like that. See? And then you get the bolt, put it right in there.
Is that as tight as it goes?
Yeah. That's just like a real skateboard.
Good job. We're doing good.
Yep, we are. Look at it. The wheel's right on. So that's how you do the honors right there.
For the grip tape, after you put your holes in your sticker so you can see where your holes actually are, take your grip tape, just like a real skateboard, just line it up with one side. Basically stick it all over the whole board nice. You have to make sure you push your fingers inside the concave to make it stick to every part of the board so there's no air bubbles. Make sure it's lined up with one side of the board. It helps so that this side you don't have to cut it off. It's already lined up with the side of the board. Alright, so here's how you cut the grip off, the excess grip. You're basically just going to scrape it down. The non-abrasive grip is super easy to cut, so you're just scraping it. Just like you would file real grip tape, it's eating away at the edge and then you'll be able to kind of peel it off. So like I said, you just got to go around your grip tape with something short. You could use dull scissors.
And what is
And
that?
then basically once you scrape it enough, just peel the edges right off.
I'll put grip on this.
Woo! Lee, you got the wheels on the trucks, right?
You're all tight enough.
So here's basically the easiest way to put the screws in the trucks. You just want to basically get them started, turn them like twice in the holes. And once you get the screws kind of started, then you could pop one truck on. Once you get one in a little bit, the rest should be pretty easy because it's already lined up. But you got to make sure it's really tight because it could fall out. And you just slowly tighten them all up like so. All right, we're all done with our finger skateboards. Here they are.
Here they are.
Pretty rad if you ask me. Now we're gonna shred them. So have fun building yours and you do the same.